Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss exercise 2.7 question number 2. Find 4.8 divided by 10. Let us find. That is question number 1. Question number 1 is 4.8 divided by 10. That will be equal to 4.8 divided by 10. It is divided by 10, therefore the point should be shifted to the left side one place, that is from here to here. That will be equal to 0.48. 0.48. Right? Now number 2 is 52.5 divided by 10. It will comes to 52.5 divided by 10. Right? That means you have to shift this point to the left side one places from here to here. That is 5.25. 5.25. Right? Now question number 3. Question number 3 is 0.7 divided by 10. It can be written as 0.7 divided by 10. That means you have to shift this point one places to the left. That is here, from here to here. That means you are getting 0.07. 0.07. Now question number 4 is 33.1 divided by 10. That means you have to write here as 33.1 divided by 10. That means you shift the point to the left side one place from here to here. That is equal to 3.31. 3.31. Question number 5. Question number 5 is 272.23 divided by 10. That means can be written as 272.23 divided by 10. That means you have to shift the point toward the left side one place. From here it will come to here. It will be written as 27.23. Now question number 6. Question number 6 is, let us rub this one. Now question number 6 is 0.56 divided by 10, or it can be written as 0.56 divided by 10. That means the point will be shifted to the left side one digit, that here. That means you will get 0.056. Now question number 7 is question number 7. That is 3.97 divided by 10. It can be written as 3.97 divided by 10. That means you have to shift the point toward the left side one digit. From here it will come to here. That means it is equal to 0.397. Right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.